St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. This is a day of celebration of faith and Irish culture. This is a day when pride is on full display. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanger or door hanger, whichever you choose, to display your pride in Irish culture, in faith, and in love, hope, and luck overall. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa S. of By Vanessa S. and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. You know how this goes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell so you'll be notified of future videos, and subscribe. And remember, share. Sharing is caring. The celebration of St. Patrick's Day is very well known across the world. This is a day of celebration. This is a day of a display in culture and faith. We see it with the green. We see the Kiss Me, I'm Irish. We see all the parades across the world, across the country. We see it. And a lot of us understand it. St. Patrick's Day is more than just the celebrations that you see with the green beer and the green hats, people looking for leprechauns. It's a lot more to it. However, one thing that we are all familiar with, or we should be, is the shamrock. The shamrock is the three-leaf clover. And the reason why the shamrock was so important to the celebration is because St. Patrick, his work and the reason why he is a patron saint is because of the work he did in bringing Christianity to Ireland. He used the shamrock as a way to show the symbolism of the Trinity for each leaf. He used it as a teaching tool. Today, culturally, the shamrock is viewed still symbolically, but the leaves meaning luck, hope, and love, supporting the Trinity, supporting faith overall. And so that's one of the reasons why I chose to use the shamrock in this project. But also, notice I use the gold coins for luck and the little pot that we're used to seeing. St. Patrick's Day has evolved into a cultural phenomenon, and it's beautiful, and pride is on display. So this project allows you to instill your own type of pride uniquely. So, yes, this is not a history lesson, but if you want to know more about the origin of St. Patrick's Day, biography of St. Patrick himself, or the evolution of St. Patrick's Day and its celebrations, check out the description. I have some information for you. But let's get to this project. For this project, you will need a round wood piece, green paint, gold paint, white paint, Mod Podge, chipboard. The chipboard is going to be for the gold coins as well as the shamrock, glitter, paint brushes, and polyacrylic. And the polyacrylic is optional to top off the project. Step 1. Paint the base of the wood round. Give it 2 coats of paint, letting it dry in between coats. Make sure to paint the edges and the sides. Step 2. Add glue and glitter to the wood rounds. Glue both sides of the wood rounds and add the gold glitter on both sides. Step 3. Glue one side of the larger base shamrock and press the first 2 layers together. Be generous with the glue. You want the 2 to stick. Adjust to make sure that they're lining up evenly and add a clip. Step 4. Paint the shamrock and the heart pieces. Each shamrock piece should be a different color, and all of the hearts can be the same color. Step 5. Add glue and glitter to the gold shamrock. Be generous with the glue. You want the glitter to stick. Step 6. Add glue to each piece and layer one on top of the other, starting with the large shamrock to the small shamrocks and to the hearts. Wipe off the excess glue and let dry. Step 7. Add glue to the back of the layered shamrock and place on top of the door hanger base. Adjust as needed. Be generous with the glue. Step 8. Add vinyl and text and image. Step 9. Glue the coins and add to the pot. Now you're going to want to layer the coins, and for each layer add glue. Add glue on both the coin as well as the coin that is going on top of. Step 10, let dry, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.